Pasko. So in all began as mentioned in John 3:16, which says, "For God so loved the world that He gave His one and only Son, that whoever believes in Him shall not perish but have eternal life." So pag set ng bigat sa anak niya si Jesus, yun yung start ng Christmas. Ayun yung kailangan tayo karoon ng Christmas.
Buko Pandan?
Kung kayo sa verse 17, "For God
Pandan,
has
huwag kayo
sent
doon
His
sila.
Son to warn from the death of world from the straight to warn to Him." So dito sa Pasko, when Jesus came to the world. So from that passage, yung John 3:16, three things comes into my mind. The reasons why as Christians we celebrate Christmas.
Ganda na yun.
Maliban sa kay Kristo dahil sa
Gaganda doon.
pagpapangalan kay Kristo,
Nakita dahil.
for me, may tatlo pang maganda kaya nag-celebrate ng Christmas. Una, para sa akin,
Diba
Christmas
si Ina,
symbolizes
ganda ng
love.
parang Ina daw.
Pangalawa, reconciliation and forgiveness. At pangatlo, joy.
Sila sa sabundo.
So, the first one, yung una, love.
Sana makapagdalaman lang tayo.
Celebration for, ang una, yung love is it's a celebration for God's great love. Diba sa John 3:16, for God so loved the world. So, because of love, pinadala ni God yung nag-iisang anak niya, si Jesus. So, we celebrate Christmas because it reminds us of the great love God has for us. Because of His great love, He sent His only Son to save us by granting us salvation. Even